Hello my friends, welcome back here to the Pistacchio graphic channel. For today I have this Thor Hammer. This project was based in my previous video, that was the T-elbow hammer. I made some changes in the project and created this new one. In that previous video I'll show you how to create this handle, and I modify some measurements for that video and create some new parts. Here in the drawings I create a part list that will help you to create this project with the measurements that we need and the measurements that I change here on the handle. If you want all my drawings that I created here for the channel, I have an ebook in the first link of the description. You can purchase and help the channel, and I have access for all my drawings and projects, and you can buy all the files that I show you here on the video. Remember to subscribe here in the channel and give me a like button, and let's start the project. Create a new design, create a new component, that is the WoodA. Here on the front plane, and start to create the profile, that one, here and here. Constrain the midpoint of that line to the center point, and start to apply the measurements. This height is 90 millimeters, is 130 millimeters, and 150 millimeters. Hold the shift here on that line and create here. Now we have our profile. This one needs an extrude of 30 millimeters. And here on this front face, select again, create here a rectangle, change the type of the line to construction, a center point, click here, a vertical constraint, and create here 4 points, here, 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 and here. This distance is 60 millimeters by 90 millimeters, and the distance from the top is 15 millimeters. This is 60, this is 90 here, and that distance is 15 millimeters. Finish the sketch, and we need to create here a simple hole with 10 millimeters diameter and 40 millimeters depth. Select the hole tool, select all the points. The depth is 40 millimeters and the diameter is 10 millimeters. Click OK. We can change the drill point for a flat. Okay, it's better. Hide this component, return to the main project. Click here on the component and click Ctrl C. Right button and paste as new. And click OK. Unhide this component, select the component and change the name for WoodB. And click OK. In that one, we can delete these holes and change the extrude to 20 millimeters. That one, here on the sketch, I need to create another line, a distance of 15 millimeters. Finish the sketch. Here on the extrude, unhide this and select only the small part. Hide the component, return to the main project. Okay, create here a new component. This is the pin. Select the front plane. A circle with 10 millimeters and extrude with 14 millimeters. Return to the main project and create the handle. Handle is here. Create the handle. Select the front plane. And now we can start. Create a center line here. Change that line to center line. Start here to create some lines here and here and here. This diameter is 45 and this distance is 20 millimeters. That point have a diameter of 36 millimeters. And now we can create an arc with 3 points. That one, here and here. Create a point in the middle of this arc. Create a relation. That point to that point horizontally is the same distance. And apply a diameter of 45 millimeters. That one. Here and here. Create a new line. That one. And this distance to that 2 points is 160 millimeters. And here. Create another 2 arcs with 3 points here. And here. They have horizontally constrained and they are the same radius. This arc, a 48 diameter here and a 45 millimeters diameter here. And that distance is 20 millimeters. Now create here a rectangle. This line have a 30 millimeters and that one is 100, and the midpoint of that line needs to be constrained to the center point. Finish the sketch. Select the revolve tool, that one. Select here the X and click OK. Unhide the sketch. Select the extrude, change for symmetric. The whole length is 20 millimeters. And select the join operation, just one body. Here, apply a fillet that adds 4.5 millimeters and a fillet of 10 millimeters here on the top face, here on the edge. And create on that face 2 points here and here, constrain on the horizontal and apply that distance, that is 25 and 50. This distance is 25 and that distance is 50. And click OK. select the hole, these two, the diameter is 10 millimeters and the depth is 2 millimeters. Finish. Change for a flat, click OK. Return to the main project, unhide, show all the components. The handle needs to be grounded. Shift N to create a random color that will be easier to identify the parts. Return here to the part list. We have the codes. Select the codes, Ctrl C. Insert McMaster. Paste the code. Download the step file. New one. This we need a copy. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Keep the position. Okay. And now we can start to assemble all the project. Hold the Ctrl here on the midpoint. Same here. Flip the direction. Joint here and here. Flip. Okay. And now we can assemble this component here to that face. 0. That one. Make a copy. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Here. J for joint. Hold the Ctrl. The same process. Okay. Two components assembled. The same for that component here in that face. Click here and copy this WoodA, Ctrl C, Ctrl V here, J on that other face and return to 0 and click OK. Now I can import the last screw here, copy this code, return to the Fusion and insert McMaster, paste the code and download this component. Now I need all this copy. I need 4 copies. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, repeat that process. And assemble all the pins. I need more copies. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I need one more copy of that. I can apply a joint on that one here and here. The same for the other side. And here. And applying a rectangle pattern. I will hide this joint. Apply here a rectangle pattern from the components. Select that pin, the axis. You can select here the X, the origin, here and here. We need only 2 copies. The first is 90 and the second is minus 60. And finish the sketch. And click OK. And repeat the process. Select the component. Select here the axis. Is 2 with 90. And this 2 with minus 60. And click OK. I will show you another colors. If you remember, if you want to download all the files and my ebook in the first link of the description, that I can bring you more videos, think about to subscribe to the channel and give me a like button. Write here in the comments what you want to see here on the channel, and see you in the next video.